Guys, blood pressure is one of those things that most of us probably don't think about until somebody tells us we should. And the problem is, if you only check it at the doctor's, you know what? You might not always be getting the full picture. Because let's be honest, sitting in a GP surgery with a cuff on your arm is not exactly the most relaxing experience in the world. And more so, it fills you full of dread. So today, guys, we're taking a look at the Sinocare ARM-30E Plus, which is an upper arm blood pressure monitor designed for home use. I'll show you what's in the box, how easy it is to use, and why having one of these at home actually makes a lot of sense. So if you've been thinking about keeping a better eye on your blood pressure without having to borrow a monitor or book an appointment at the doctor's every time, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech. So if that's your kind of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Right guys, this is the Sinocare ARM-30E Plus. Now, before we get into it, I've got to say, and I've got to say this very clearly, I'm not a doctor. No, really, I'm not. I'm not a nurse and I'm not a healthcare professional. And nothing in this video should be taken as medical advice. I'm just looking at this as someone who wants a simple, practical way to keep an eye on blood pressure at home, particularly as I'm getting on a bit now. And prevention is definitely better than cure. Now, of course, if you have any conditions that may need medical intervention, or if you're worried about any readings you get, or whether you're not sure what they mean or whatever, you need to speak to your GP, pharmacist, nurse, or a proper healthcare professional. But with that said, I do think that home monitoring is useful, not because it replaces medical advice, as it absolutely doesn't, but because it gives you a way to check things in a calmer environment at different times without having to rely on whether your GP surgery has a monitor available to lend out. I had to go through this process a little while back, and I think it was something like in the February, they said, oh, you know, you need to go and borrow one of these monitors. And I asked I went back out to reception and I asked them for the monitor, and they said, yes, the first date we've got is September for you to borrow one. I thought, well, actually, I didn't think. I said, blimey, I could be dead by then. So you know what? Honestly, for the cost of what these are and for the value that they bring, it's definitely worth getting one. But again, carrying on with the video, you know what? Going to the doctors does fill us all with apprehension, right? You sit there, the cuff goes on, you're thinking about the number, and suddenly your blood pressure decides to put on a little performance. So having something like this at home can definitely help you build up a more normal picture over time. Now guys, before we get into it, Sinocare did send this over for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And as always guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, in the box we've got the ARM-30E Plus monitor itself. We've got some paperwork, which is always important, although I've got to say this unit is very, very self-explanatory. You get the upper arm cuff, great. You get the AAA batteries, or AAA batteries, I should say. And you know what? Straight away, this is exactly what I want from something like this, right? This is not clever, right? It doesn't need to be clever for the sake of it. It needs to be simple, easy to read, and not make you feel like you need a medical degree just to take a reading. The cuff is designed for arm sizes from around 22 to 42 centimeters. So for most people, this should be absolutely fine. The Rock, Arnold Schwarzenegger, or Rocky might have a bit of a problem, but for us mere mortals, I think it's all going to be good. Obviously, it's worth checking your arm size if you're not sure, but you know what? I think this is going to be good to go for most people. Now, the monitor itself is a nice compact size. The display is large enough to read clearly and the buttons are straightforward. And for health tech like this, I actually think that this matters more than anything, because sometimes if something feels complicated, you know what, you're probably not going to use it. Now guys, using the monitor, as I said, is pretty simple. Wrap the cuff around your upper arm, sit still, and that's important, sit still, press the button and let it do its thing. It's that simple. You're not messing around trying to work loads of settings or pair it to 17 apps on your phone or whatever, just so you can take a reading. It's a practical home monitor. Now, I'm not going to sit here and interpret blood pressure numbers because, again, that is not my job or my level of expertise. And I don't want anyone watching this thinking I'm giving them health advice. But what I do like is the idea of being able to take a reading at home calmly and to keep a note of them. Because you know what? This monitor gives you 99 stored readings, right? So you can store up to 99 readings. And it gives you, very simply, a red, amber, green readout as well. So again, whether you know the exact numbers or not, this is further simplified. So green, you know what, all good. Amber, maybe something worth checking out. And red, well, probably a good time to take some further action by a professional. But remember guys, one random reading on one random day does not tell you the full story. And having one of these machines is definitely going to be able to give you more flexibility. You can take more readings and you can build up a better picture. Because you know what? Your blood pressure can change depending on stress, movement, caffeine. I mean, who doesn't like a coffee? Time of day and how relaxed you are. And with this ARM-30E Plus model, you've also got dual user mode. So you know what? Two people can use it separately. And like I said, it stores up to 99 readings for each user. And that's quite handy if you're trying to build up that picture over time. Because, like I said, you're not just relying on one isolated reading. You know, you can build up an accurate picture. And I think when I was asked to check mine some years ago, basically I had to do twice a day for 2 weeks, so something like that. So having one at home definitely is worth it. Now, it also, which is quite impressive, has cuff worn detection. That's what I think they call it. But anyway, if the cuff isn't sitting properly, it can flag that up. So you know that you're always going to get a proper reading, because, you know, a badly fitted cuff can give you readings that aren't helpful. There's also an irregular heartbeat indicator. But again, I treat this as something to be aware of rather than something to self-diagnose from. If something doesn't look right or you're worried about anything, well, you know what? That's the time that you got to speak to somebody qualified. Now, what about Sinocare? Well, you know, as a brand, they're not a random company that has suddenly appeared with one gadget. They're actually quite well known in the home health monitoring space, especially around things like blood glucose monitors, blood pressure monitors, and other testing products. So you know what, this does feel like a product from a company that really understands this category. And I think that's important, because you know what, with this sort of product, you really don't want bells and whistles from companies that you perhaps have got no pedigree in this field. So you know what, yes, stand by the brand. And guys, you know what, Sinocare, the ARM-30E Plus, for me, is one of those practical bits of home tech that isn't trying to be flashy. It's an upper arm blood pressure monitor, and it's as simply as that. It supports two users, as I said, stores readings, and gives you a straightforward way to keep an eye on things at home. And quite importantly, it's not there to replace your GP, and it's definitely not something I'd use as an excuse to ignore proper medical advice. But you know what? If you've been asked to monitor your blood pressure, as I was a couple of years ago, or if you just want something simple in the house rather than having to borrow one or get one of those things that you got to pump up, or something that you got to sync up to your phone or whatever, you know what? This makes a lot of sense. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this up for only £18.99. I mean, that's insane, right? £18.99, right? I mean, you can't get anything for that. Well, you can, but, you know, it's cheap for the value and the benefit that this thing could bring you. I'll leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Sinocare for sending me this cool blood pressure monitor to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.